You threw crackers all over me.
Sorry, baby. You guys like them? They're cheese nibbies. That's all I got.
I don't think he likes them.
Oh. What about cheesy crackers? With peanut butter? Cheesy cracker, peanut butter?
You just ate them.
Oh,
I think.
sorry, ducky.
I don't know. Oh, you attracted
no.
seagulls.
Those little bastards. Get away from here.
He just took that whole cracker.
Oh.
He's got that whole cracker in his mouth. That little
not
fucker.
Cool.
Look at that fucker. He just fucking flew away.
Dude, you're gonna scare the ducks with your evil language.
Fuck that, man. These seagulls are assholes. These motherfuckers need to be at the beach. You're a long way from home, you dicks. Holy shit. That's like a mass mob. Oh, shit. Hey, defend your turf. You geese are pussies. Peck the shit out of them with your beak, you dummy. Be a violent killer, it'll be good for you. Don't look at me like I'm stupid like that. Now you're testing me.
Oh, look at the other ducks coming now.
They all want food too.
Alright, bye-bye.
Let's go throw them food.
I don't think I have any left.
No, we gotta throw them food.
Oh my god. You just love feeding the homeless birds. Oh, there's a squirrel.
Yes, feed the squirrel too. Hey, we ain't gonna hurt you, little dude. We just want to feed your fat face.
Where is he?
He's running up the tree like a scared little bitch.
Squirrely. It's got peanut butter.
Holy crackhead, look at all these things. Bye, little dude. Hey, man, what's up, dude?